Hello everybody, my name is Louis Horry. I'm a physicist and a high-performance computing engineer at Simvia. Today's video is a direct follow-up to the first one I made on how to install Salome meca. I am going to show you how to open and run one of the many test studies you installed in the first video with Salome meca. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe as we will be uploading many more videos to help you to use the open source codes of EDF. Okay, and sometimes it opens a little bit weird like this. You can see my mouse is there, but I'm on this button. To solve this issue, type F11 twice, and then it's fixed. You see my mouse is correctly in place. Now, going to Codaster, choose the stable version. Once you're in it, go into current case, right-click, and go into import test case. We are going for this video to use the format 01A test case. Here it is. Click on it. It will then tell you there are data files with undefined file name. It's normal. These data files are the output results. So now you have to say where you want to save the results. Double click on this undefined and go onto the three dots here. Then you can choose wherever you want the results to be. I'm going to create a folder that I'm going to call results, and I'm going to save the result as result format101a.rmed. Save. Finally, press OK. You see that now it's saved as the good file. You can see the mesh by double typing this lire maillage, and you see you have it there. Now we are going to run the test study. Go into history view and first save your project. I'm going to simply save it into the home folder for this time. Press the plus button and go into run. The study is going to be starting. Press the refresh button if you want to see the log and output messages during the computation. Okay, when it's done, it should be green. Then you can click on it, click onto the result file here, result format we just saved, and then go into post-process. And here it is. You can see the test case we just ran, which is simply a 2D plate that has been a little bit deformed by stress. You can here, if you want, change the scale factor to see better the deformation. And as you see, the plate is a little bit more deformed. You can even exaggerate this even more. Finally, I'd like to conclude by showing you there are many more test cases in the folder I opened. All of these test cases are documented. You can find them on Codaster website. When you are on Codaster website, go into documentation, select the right version of Codaster, and go into validation. And there you have the documentation for all of the test files you can open within Salome meca. You can look for the format 01. Here it is. And then you have the physics that is explained as well as the geometry and what is the goal of this test. For now, the documentation is in French, but don't worry, it's soon going to come out in English. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to stay updated as we have many more useful videos coming to your way. In the meantime, feel free to visit our website and contact us through the links in the description. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye!